Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y35, and today I will show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now in a second you should see that the phone I have right here is locked outside of just the little lock icon right here. Now the way it's locked is using pattern and obviously Google account. The reason I mentioned this, and it will become a little bit important throughout the process, when we will be changing the screen lock option. So that's one thing. Now if this won't progress any further soon, I will just begin the actual bypass without showing you that it is locked. It is showing it right here. There we go. So to get started, in your case, you do want to progress through the setup a little bit till you see the Wi-Fi connection page, at which point just connect to any kind of Wi-Fi that you can. And in here, as you can see, there is the verification process, pattern, and Google account. So I do need to verify the device to finish up the setup. So let's get started. Like I said, progress through it till you can connect to some kind of Wi-Fi. I have already done so. And from there, you want to back out again to the first page. And we're going to we're going to hold volume up and down. Select turn on, and then hold volume up and down once more. This will enable talkback.
Talkback on. Welcome to talkback.
I'm gonna mute it just so it doesn't distract me. So once you have your talkback enabled, like this, what you want to do is draw a mirrored L on a screen like this. So there we go. It will bring up this little menu right here. So allow Android accessibility to record audio. Just double tap on the first option that already should be selected. Then single tap, use voice commands to select it. And before you double tap on it, I will just go quickly over what you need to say, because this will need to be verbally executed. So when you double press on it, the phone will give you a beep, meaning that it's listening to you. And you want to say open Google Assistant. Then you'll have two more beeps, one to accept your voice input and the other one that Google Assistant is now listening to you. Once that happens, you want to say open YouTube. And at that point, YouTube should open. So now we'll kind of go through it and you can see and hear. Open Google Assistant. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Now once YouTube is open, you want to hold volume up and down once more, and this will disable talkback. Now that it's disabled, we can simply press on the little account icon, settings, about, Google privacy policy, accept and continue, and no thanks. Then right at the top on the search bar, you want to navigate to HardReset.Info/bypass. Like this. If you need a moment to, type it in yourself to pause the video. Select consent, and then you want to scroll down. And before I progress any further, I will just stop right here for a brief moment and say that this is the point that we will need to get back later on throughout the setup or throughout the bypass. So we will execute right now one of the portions of the bypass, and once we do so, it will bring us back to the setup screen, and you will need to repeat all the steps to get back here from the beginning. So hopefully you remember all of them. If you don't, just watch the video from the beginning. I will be breezing through them as quick as I can, just so I can get back here as quick as possible. And one more thing to note, once the device reboots, because that's what will happen, then the device will automatically disconnect from Wi-Fi. You will first need to progress through the setup, connect to Wi-Fi, and then begin the bypass from basically the beginning. So continuing now, let's select settings. And here you're gonna scroll all the way down to system and select reset options. And you wanna select reset all settings. Reset all settings. Do so once again. And like I said, the device will reboot. Because of the reboot, we will be now back at the first page of setup, and we'll need to first connect to Wi-Fi and then repeat these steps to get back to the web browser and to that website. Okay, so there we go. So first, I'm gonna connect to my network. As you can see, the device is still locked, so nothing has changed just yet. There we go. And once we connect to network, just back out again to the first page, hold volume up and down, select turn on, there we go.
Back on. Talk. Welcome to talk. Use voice. Use voice.
Open Google Assistant. Open YouTube.
Opening. YouTube. Double tap to activate. Cast. Talk back off.
Now that we're back at this point, you want to scroll down, and this time around we're gonna select this option right here, lock screen set menu. And like I mentioned before, where I did kind of state that the pattern is kind of a significant portion and the bypass. So you remember that we had, or I had, patterns set as a way of unlocking the device. Nothing has changed just yet. But what I will do right now, when it's telling me to set up some kind of protection, I'm gonna select pin. I recommend selecting the same thing. It's gonna make it a little bit easier. Now the method doesn't really matter, but the kind of simplicity of this guide will. So select pin just to keep it the same and choose 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, repeat it 1, 2, 3, 4. Confirm. Gonna skip, and that's it. What happened right now is we literally overrid the previous unlocking method with this pin that we have just chosen. So we're gonna back out now. So just start spamming back button, and from here go through the setup. And what you will see is once you get to the verification portion, it's gonna tell you to verify not the pattern, or at least for me that was a pattern, but it's gonna tell me to verify pin. There we go, verify pin. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Confirm. And voila. Now, there is one last thing that I'll mention. Once we get access to the home screen, it is generally recommended to perform a factory reset of the device as a last kind of unlocking part of this guide. I don't think it's required in this case, but I would still strongly recommend doing it. You don't have anything on the phone just yet, so it shouldn't really matter that much, and it's gonna take like additional couple minutes. At which point, once the reset is finished, you can just simply set up your device however you want. It will be fully unlocked. The reason I recommend going to the settings and resetting it, so I'm gonna show you where to find it. So let's go to System and the Reset Options, Erase All Data. Select Erase All Data. You do need to confirm the pin, 1, 2, 3, 4. And select Erase All Data. And the reason I recommend doing so is because if there is still any kind of residue from the old user, like the pattern there was here or the Google account, performing a reset of the device through settings will completely get rid of it. And this is kind of like a last kind of safeguard, I would say. So I would recommend doing it, and that's where you find it. So there we go. Now, this being said, this is how you would bypass the Google verification on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.